The journey of clothes typically involves several stages, from their initial creation to their eventual end. Here's an overview of that journey: raw material sourcing. The journey begins with the sourcing of raw materials. This can include natural fibers like cotton, wool, or linen, and synthetic fibers like polyester or nylon. Farmers grow cotton, sheep are raised for wool, and petrochemicals are processed for synthetics. Manufacturing. Once the raw materials are obtained, they are processed into fabrics. This involves spinning fibers into yarn, weaving or knitting the yarn into fabric, and then dyeing and finishing the fabric to make it suitable for clothing. Fashion designers create clothing designs, which are then turned into patterns. Manufacturers cut the fabric according to these patterns and sew the pieces together to create finished garments. Before being sent to retailers, the garments undergo quality control checks to ensure they meet the required standards in terms of stitching, fabric quality, and overall appearance. Finished clothes are shipped from factories to distribution centers or directly to retailers. This can involve complex logistics and transportation across various countries. Clothes arrive at stores or online platforms where consumers can purchase them. They may be displayed in physical stores or featured on e-commerce websites. After purchase, the clothes are worn by consumers. This stage can vary widely in duration, as some clothes may be worn frequently, while others may be rarely used. Care and maintenance. Clothing requires care, including washing, drying, and ironing. The way clothes are cared for can affect their lifespan. Disposal or recycling. Eventually, clothes may become worn out or out of style. They can be donated, recycled, or discarded. Some companies have programs for recycling old clothes, while others may end up in landfills. Upcycling and second life. Some garments are repurposed or upcycled into new products, giving them a second life and reducing waste. This journey highlights the processes involved in the clothing industry, emphasizing sustainability and the importance of responsible consumption and disposal practices.